Today, if you go to any of the local stores, you will see shelves and corners stacked with different color bottles of shampoo and conditioner. At present, hair care brands thrive on the regular needs and demands of your hair, but that was not the case in the past. Throughout history, people used different alternatives for hair care, but none was effective like the present-day shampoo or conditioner. Rather, they were more tedious. The first liquid shampoo was invented in 1927. Since then, hair care brands have never stopped looking behind, as shampoo has been widely accepted by everyone for its hassle-free and effective ways to clean hair. With that in mind, in today's video, we will talk about the best hair care brands in the world. So let's immerse ourselves in the video. The modern buzzword Olaplex started its journey from a garage in California. At first, it was a professional-only brand, but later in 2017, it expanded itself as a consumer at-home product. Olaplex is known among everyone for its patented Olaplex bond-building technology. Now for its best-selling product, it has the number 3 hair Perfector. But its entire bond-building hair care range is famous among those who want to show a bit of care and love to their precious hair. Purology is now known for its color-coded bottles, but the brand started its journey in 2001 as a clean, sulfate-free shampoo. In 2007, LOreal owned Purology, and in 2015, it relaunched with new fresh taglines and is now famous for color-coded packaging. One of the best products from this brand is the Purology Hydrate shampoo, which is a great option for dry and color-treated hair. This famous professional hair care brand is now 100% vegan, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. So if you want to treat your colored hair and want a clean sulfate-free shampoo, this brand is the safest option available for you. One of the most famous hair care brands of today, Moroccan Oil, started its journey in 2008. The journey started when its co-founder, Carmen Tal, experienced a very bad hair color occurrence and was far from home. That's when she encountered the magic of Moroccan Argan oil, and from there, today's Moroccan Oil started. The quality, unique packaging, glass bottle, and scent made the pavement for today's entire Moroccan Oil hair care brand. At present, along with its signature Moroccan Argan oil, you can find the entire range of hair care products from best-selling hairspray to hair care mask and shampoo, conditioner, and many more in this brand. But till now, nothing can beat its signature Moroccan Oil Treatment Original, which is a suitable option for all types of hair. L'Oreal started its remarkable journey in 1909 when a young French chemist made a hair dye which he named L'Oreal. He used to manufacture his products and 10 years later registered his business. When L'Oreal truly emerged, they started taking employees, and it started from 100 to 1,000. And today, L'Oreal has 6 worldwide research and development centers. L'Oreal began in the field of hair color, but the company now markets more than 500 brands. And now one of its best products is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo for damaged hair. Moreover, it has thousands of individual products in every area of the beauty company, and today, L'Oreal is a popular brand in every aspect of the industry. Pantene was first introduced in Europe in 1945, and the name of this brand was based on the word Panthenol as an ingredient of shampoo. It was later acquired by Procter & Gamble in 1985. In 1990, Pantene launched its Pantene Pro V in 2-in-1 formula, which hit the market. It was launched in 4 countries, featuring each country's women's local demand, and by 1994, it was launched in 55 countries. In the same year, Pantene became the #1 hair care brand. Till today, Pantene Pro V Daily Moisture Renewal 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is one of the most demanded products from this brand. And now, 76 years later, Pantene is still cherished as the world's one of the leading shampoo and conditioner brands, with many local brand ambassadors for each dedicated country. Herbal Essences is one of the most leading hair care brands in the world at present. It was originally founded by LOreal in 1971. In 2001, LOreal sold her company to Procter & Gamble. According to P&G, the company then was declining, and they revolutionized it into a successful brand. P&G focused on target marketing towards a young audience, keeping the natural ingredients in place. The unique smell of herbal essences could linger around for a long time, given a heavenly experience. Currently, Herbal Essences has 29 different hair care products, each targeted for different hair care and different demands. Moreover, with its newly launched Renew, which they claim to be 90% botanical, this brand is thriving in the market. One of the best sellers from this brand is the Herbal Essences Argan Oil Shampoo. Moreover, Herbal Essences is a brand that launches products keeping environment-friendly, clean, botanic, and natural aspects in mind. Garnier started its journey with a nature-based solution. The company was founded in 1904 under the name of Laboratories Garnier by the French designer Garnier, with the launch of his first patented herbal hair lotion. It was purchased by LOreal in the 1970s. For decades, Garnier has moved from hair color and hair care to skin care since 1970. Garnier became popular for its line Fructis in 1966, and later released its hair color name line Nutrisse in 2002. Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Hair Colors are still popular, demanded, and affordable permanent dyes that are available on the market. Garnier is now a trusted brand for hair and skin care, which has earned many rankings and awards for its great consumer acceptance and other beneficial factors. Tresemme is an American hair care brand that was manufactured in 1947. It was then bought by a hair and skin manufacturer in 1968 and later sold to Unilever in 2010. The original intention of this brand was to only be available to the professionals and salons out there. But later, with its popularity, it became available in some pharmacies and supermarkets. Today, Tresemme is not only known in hair salons across the world for its hair repair treatment, but also known among consumers for its affordability. One of its affordable and bestseller products is the Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo for dry hair. Furthermore, the brand is now taglined as used by professionals, which means you can get professional quality products at your home anytime. So that was all about the best brands for hair care in the world. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.